Alabama is one of the biggest. So this is peach cobbler, which is very common.
Whole different planet for me. Everything is different. Everything, everybody.
Yeah. The food.
The food is very different.
It's a very special hotel, and we'll see why very soon.
I was told that it's gonna be very loud as well.
Roll Tide. Before we get started with today's video, like and subscribe right down below. It helps us to continue to explore new places, bring you new content, and show you our life in this beautiful world. So now let's continue with the video. Cheers. Okay, it is game day. We woke up, we got our beauty sleep this morning, so we got up a bit late, but now we're on the way to lunch at a very special place called Bombous. Has a crazy name, but it's local to Alabama specifically, and it is known for its game day because it's full of TVs and screens, and it's for chicken wings, french fries, burgers, all that good stuff. So now we're on the way to that, and we have our jerseys on for game day, and we are really, really excited. So let's go eat. All right. I said smile away.
Smile away, boys.
You ready?
Yeah, no, I'm not.
All on you. All the screens. Okay, we just sat down at Bombous, a very popular restaurant with wings here in Tuscaloosa, and it is game day. So it's gonna get really full here a little later on, but right now it's already getting busy. People watching football, as you can see behind me. There's like 50 plus TVs, and Saturday in the US is all about college football, and so that's what today is, especially in the South, in a place like Tuscaloosa. So we're here, and we are excited. We ordered some food. We got burgers mainly. Mom got a salad, but everyone else got burgers. So yeah, we're looking forward to that, and we'll show you the food when it comes out. I just want to give a shout out to Ina for buying me a coffee via my link below, buy me a coffee. Thank you so much, Ina. I really appreciate your support. It means so much to me. If you would like to buy me a coffee, just scan this QR code above. It really helps me to continue to explore new places and bring you fresh content. Thank you so much. Cheers.
This is the box part.
Well, I think that's mine. One of the messiest burgers ever. We got the curly fries. We're gonna get into this. You got the egg right here on the burger. So
Yeah, it's good.
let's go. Okay, we are walking on the campus of Alabama right now. We got back from lunch, we went to change into the hotel and make sure we had everything. As you can see behind me, the campus is getting full with people tailgating, and now we're going to the Natural History Museum. When I was growing up, me and my dad always went here. It was our favorite spot, I guess probably mine, but yeah, so we're gonna walk in there, check that out for a minute before we go to the downtown and we shop a little bit for some merchandise and some swag. So let's do it. You want to say roll tide together?
Roll Tide.
Yeah, you ready? Roll Tide.
Oh,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Roll Tide. Students here.
Wow.
Right behind me is the University Library here. Right before all the games, the band of Alabama, the $1 Million Band, plays a show for everyone right there and kind of hypes everyone up for the game. But yeah, as you can see all around me, this is the vibe of a college game day, especially in a big college town like Tuscaloosa where we are. Everyone is all around in these tents, eating food, watching games, and just enjoying this Saturday before the game starts in the afternoon. But yeah, it's really a unique experience to the States, obviously, American football. But I guess one thing that you need to understand is that Alabama is one of the biggest in the whole country. So this isn't just a college football experience, it's really a cultural experience because in the South of the US, it's such a big deal, football. So first time here, and yeah, let's keep going. This is the mecca of college football, Bryant Stadium. 101,000 people. Also look right across, fraternity house with a band setting up for game day. Yeah, it's pretty special here. The vibe is crazy. This is Alabama. You hearing this right now? Yeah. Okay, we just went shopping. She got a jersey, an Alabama baseball jersey. She liked it the best, so that's what we went with. And now we're going to look around at some shops, see what's open, what time places close after the game tonight. We kind of want to see and get some food probably, so we need to check in and see what's open, what's closed. So now that's what we're up to. We're gonna go back to the hotel soon, drop off our merch that we just got, and then it's time for the game. So let's keep going. She's about to try, I think. You got a scoop of ice cream in there too.
I'm trying to get it in half.
So this is peach cobbler, which is very common in the southern part of America. It's with ice cream, and it's like a baked peach pastry. So, honest review.
Reminds me of apple strudel.
Apple strudel, yeah.
I know.
But a peach version, yeah.
Mm.
This is probably similar, yeah. So anyways, we're gonna have this and we're relaxing for a minute. We got this coffee. So hopefully, well, we did try it, they had samples. But yeah, now I'm gonna eat too. So I'll see you later. Okay, right now we're walking through the campus on the way back to the hotel. We're gonna drop some stuff off, and then we're gonna go to the Bryant Museum, which is very famous here on the Alabama campus for one of the greatest coaches of our American football of all time. So we're gonna go check that out. Yeah, we're gonna drop our stuff off, check that out, and just take in this vibe. I don't know if you can see behind me, you probably can. There's so many people here just enjoying this college football game day. It's really just a special vibe. Everyone's around with their friends, their family, and just getting ready for the game and just enjoying, I guess, their whole Saturday. So that's also what we're doing. And it's cool to see, for her especially, to see all the people and how they're dressed differently. And I guess just it feels like Mars to her, really.
Yeah, it does. It's a whole different planet for me. Everything is different. Everything, everybody.
Yeah. The food.
The food is very different.
Yeah. It's all just really a culture shock, to be honest, for her. So, but it's cool from my perspective to see her experience this for the first time.
Yeah.
But anyways, so we're gonna keep going. So let's do it. We just spotted our hotel room from outside the hotel. It's this one. So that's our room. That is our hotel room right here in the center of the Alabama campus. It's actually the only hotel on the campus. It's a very special hotel, and we'll see why very soon. So keep watching. Make sure you stay tuned because it's really something special. Cheers. We would please ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us to continue to explore new places and travel and just give you more content about life here. Please like and subscribe. Now, let's get into the video. Cheers. Now we're stepping into the Paul Bear Bryant Museum. It's one of the most famous museums in all of Alabama. And it's gonna be really cool. We've been here before, but for American football, this is a really, really big deal. So let's go check it out. We're winning the game.
It's a big trophy. That's my hand. Doesn't even show.
An extra huge trophy. Now look behind you. Some old memorabilia. Like old sports stuff. Tide is to wash clothes, and the roll of paper top.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. Here's Coach Bryant's old office here. As you can see, some of the teams on the wall. This whole place is just full of memorabilia. Look, there's the Army. Here's some stuff from, looks like from the Army games from 1946. It's older stuff. Here's the Orange Bowl trophy. Yeah. Here's some basketballs. For SEC championships. Yeah, just more trophies and more trophies. Alabama is known for winning and winning and winning and winning and winning. And so this is the standard, I would say, in Alabama. But it's really cool to go into a place where you have all these trophies in one spot and so much history. But yeah, this is Alabama. Roll Tide. That's the baseball stadium there. Here is the basketball stadium. And this is Coleman, or Coliseum Drive. It's called the Coleman Coliseum. We are in the middle of the athletics. We're walking out back to the hotel, and we'll just watch all the players come out, and then finally, the part you've been waiting for. We are going to the game. So let's keep going. These buses here behind me are for the players. They're about to come out of the hotel and take these buses right here to the stadium. So we're looking forward to it. Let's go see. They're about to come. I'm doing a long for them. Here they come. You see them? There's all the players right there. They're going to walk through here in a second. It's going to be really, really loud. Look right here. Look right here. It is full of people now. Compared to this morning in the video, I'm sure you can see now there's so many more people out on the quad. It's called the quad, this area. It's full of food trucks, people tailgating, watching football, and just socializing. I think that's what Saturdays in the US are about, is all about college football, especially in the South where we are at. So this is a classic American Saturday, and we're currently walking to the stadium. So let's keep going. Roll Tide, roll Tide, roll Tide, roll Tide, roll Tide. $1 million band.
Crazy. Everything's so loud.
Crazy. Right now? Okay, we just went to the quad, we experienced it, and it was really busy. We also saw the $1 Million Band for the first time, and now we are walking to the stadium. We're gonna get in our seats a bit early, hopefully. That way we can just get settled in, capture a bit of the image of the stadium, and just, prepare for the game. So we are excited, and it's almost game time.
Very exciting.
What are your thoughts?
I'm so excited, but there's gonna be a lot of people apparently, so I was told that it's gonna be very loud as well. But I'm really excited for all the chants and just for the game.
Yeah, and we just heard a bunch of the chants from the band. We got like a preview kind of. So now she's a little more familiar.
We saw the players.
Yeah, we saw the players walk out earlier through the hotel. So it's really the full experience.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. It's a lot. But it's awesome. She's really seeing a lot of the culture around the stadium and just the whole vibe of a game day in the U.S. And here we are. Here's the stadium. Bam. It's right here. So let's keep going. We're almost there. It's happening. We're here. Let's do it. Petra.
Oops. Wrong game.
Okay, we are walking into the stadium now.